Can a person with a guardian still make their own decisions? If you or someone you know is under guardianship, you might be wondering how much control they still have over their own decisions. Let's break it down to understand the situation better. When a court appoints a guardian, it's because the individual, often referred to as the ward, is deemed incapable of making certain decisions on their own. However, the extent of the guardian's authority can vary significantly. In many cases, the court aims to remove only those rights that the individual is incapable of handling, a concept known as limited guardianship. This means the person under guardianship might still retain some decision-making powers, especially if they are able to make certain choices independently. For example, if a guardian is appointed only over the person, they would be responsible for making decisions about the individual's care, such as medical treatment, living arrangements, and education. However, the person might still have the right to make other decisions, like voting or marrying, if the court does not remove those specific rights. The guardian's role is to act in the best interest of the person under guardianship. They are supposed to involve the individual in decision-making as much as possible. Here's how it typically works. The guardian first tries to get the individual to make a choice and help them express it. If that's not possible, the guardian determines what the person would have wanted when they had the capacity to make decisions. Only if the person's goals and preferences cannot be determined does the guardian make a decision based on what they believe is in the person's best interest. Additionally, there are alternatives to guardianship, such as supported decision-making, where the individual is supported by a team of people to make their own decisions. This approach emphasizes the individual's autonomy and rights, allowing them to make choices with the help of friends, family, or community members. In summary, a person with a guardian can still make some of their own decisions, depending on the scope of the guardianship and the individual's capabilities. The goal is always to respect the person's dignity and rights while ensuring their well-being.